the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Race fans, if you're proud to be an American on a Saturday night, make me some noise. Listen, guys, I know it's Friday. I made a mistake. If you're glad to live in the best country in the world on a Friday night, make me some noise. That's what I like to hear. Peter, looks like heat race number 1 is up for you guys. I'm going to take it away.
Thank you, Eric. And once again, thank you for allowing the crowd to make some noise for being part of the greatest country in this world. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the American All-Star Series for heat race number 1. The All-Raleigh Parts heat race number 1's getting ready to line up. Ladies and gentlemen, William Blankenship is going to start